Uba lokho musa okay grand sharp.
Lesho ukuthi kudilo ngatheni akanamali. Bafunze mvoice nawe bone bangani, bone bantu, bone ku connected
No,
okay, guys. Asileni kule. Asileni.
Even nale corporate place nice.
Saturated.
Very saturated. Ngiko nje ukhanza uthi ufa namhla kusasa ba replace.
Amarengez vamos estar Bishop.
Ngiyasho ukuthi ngiyabona
Ngiyabona umfundisi yabo.
Usagcoka kahle kanje phela umsefomali.
Kana ukuthi mina prep siyabuka ukuthi umsebenza ngani. Yabona. Kozvele ekulunga ngale.
Wena shop kona. Athi
Etem discourage lo musa athi into so.
Sika nje isicetshele. Ungayithengela out yakhe isicetshele sinje. Ningabona ungayithengela out. Ungayithengela out yakhe isicetshele.
Yebo.
Ungayithengela out yakhe isicetshele sinje.
Yabo ngathi sine velvet.
Singcono nasi.
Echozana. Lenti tabo sele yobiji.
Sokusebenza nje siyasibona. Phela ngifield officer mina.
Nakusho kahle mina ngini.
No but guys no isicetshele sikahle nje.
Sikahle na ungale vele.
Mawuku.
Ungale office baba. Lenti tema office inceke ubani labasebenza emagumbini.
Ngisho inceke phela wena.
Ngisho kona ke nambusilesi vele silungela. Yathi Boy let's go ngesikhathi sakho. Ngesikhathi sekujabula bese kuqhubeka.
Dini sambe movie next. Still verse. Phela we fact based organization. Still verse.
Siphethe umfundisi la.
Mina ngisho lami Jesus wept. Still verse. Jesus wept. Still verse.
Asikalo lo shileli nganani namhla baba sebe.
Ngicela usintroduce namhla Musa.
Asebe.
Ngicela usintroduce.
Njengani?
Ngiyakurecruiter.
Njengani?
Ngiyakurecruit.
Yabona ngosiyami.
Skills transfer.
Skills transfer.
Uyangicela singephambi kwami. Uyayithi ngiyakufela mangane emakhaya. Once again, siyanimukela colleagues ku Blue Heart Podcast. I am your host for the day, Musa Dlamini. Ngihamba ngikho-host wami Nathokozane Dube. Ngicaba ukuthi bathatha introduce labo sisilabo bahlele sihamba nabo today. Introduce.
Lindo. Oh. Ngaba lami Lindo Kuhlengwa kaMamba. I am a guest namhlanje.
Khulile Thabethe prevention officer guest.
Ngibani ama-guest?
Opinions
with introduce ama-guest.
Wakamamba PhD taya
Prevention officer. Khulile Thabethe prevention officer.
Yes. Ubona ke Kustar. Thokozana. Yenzaba Nkosi yami. Ngingayithanza lokuthi ukute naye wena mina kethu manje.
Usho nje.
Yeah, njengoba usakhuluma nje inzaba ukuthi nisipendale emafieldini.
Yeah.
Mina ngisebenzela ama-office. Lenza bakusebenza mina. Ungasebenza. Angadli ukuthi singayicala ngakuphi emnetho ukuthi nawubuka akusikona kangone kuphela.
Yeah, sure.
Africa cishe womkhana
Sure.
nalamanye ama but nje kakhulu thina la Africa ngiva ngathi ngithi kakhulu esingathi saffected endabeni ya-employment. Yakangwane nje ke nangigcina kuyibuka ngathi it was more than 60% mthobi sinangite ma le rate yethu it's
according to Google in 2025 it's projected to trend around 23.8%.
23.
ranging about 60%.
So this is trading economic projects.
So
Nangabe
ku 21 ngase bese sinijake ku 33 to 40.
Okay.
No, ngicabanga ukuthi wena usho specifically to a certain group.
Oh, okay.
Yes, ngasho ukuthi ingo 60%.
Yeah.
The population.
Oh, at large.
Nation.
Okay.
23.8.
sisishadile kancane.
Asengicheckele.
Yes, but zange sasisishadile
Okay, sure.
nasithi sikhuluma maybe nge-population at large. Siyambala yini lo sarithayile as unemployed siyambala noma sibala
asisibuke nje le youth nje
someone who is
asisibuke nje le youth nje asithi nje mhlawumbe umuntu loqeda isikele enyuvesi yabona phela kubo 22 to asithi nje to 35 yeah
the reason why ukuthi ngifike lapha the last time mina ngigcina le way unemployment ikhuluma ukuthi someone who is willing and able to do work
shall search
leyo muntu loyo akhona ukuthola lo msebenzi. Do you understand? So we can't then say general population because there is someone who's not even willing ukufuna lo msebenzi. So ngeke simclassify lo muntu loyo unemployed. Someone ayibale lo.
Okay. Sasengaso the state.
Yes, esiphilile.
In 2025, that's what NIS youth unemployment rate is estimated to be around 64%.
more than 60%.
With no significant changes from the previous year, 2020. Those high changes very soon.
So lokuba
Imile.
lokusho ukuthi babona solo nanyanga kude nomehluko. Because ufuna ubuke nakhe Thokozana kuna na ibatch asesibuke nje umfasi. Kuna na ibatch mina ngagraduate 2019. Kuna ibatch ngagraduate amngenayo 2019. Le solo ngalamhla ngathi 70. Bakabani laba ngithelisa ngwana babuthisha.
Yeah, Chelsea, yeah.
Bathi nakhona lapho ngithelisa. Fane Christine ngiyathinguma manje. Yabona nakulabo bathi ngazuthi TSC page ya 2019
2020
Vele basayafika bo 20
basangafiki yawo next
Neko 2019 2018.
No, as ukuthi mina lese ngibonile kusena right vele thina kusena sikhule kabi kusena we are a set generation no excel unemployment is so high ngalenye indlela kusena si depressed si stressed Julius inyisa kunengi
okay yabona lo ngumsebenzi kakhulu
kunengi
lenzaba yaloko ukuthi the way yokukhuna ngayo ukuthola ngiyathi ukufunza nje kangcono.
Yeah, sure.
So uyahamba uyafunza maybe from grade 1 to form 5
sure
uyaqeda vele khayike bakutshela ukuthi mfana sebenza ube grade utawudla imali takho na uqeda uya ka form 5 lokungena nje ngosami lamfasi
stress
ngiyayikwazi le so ufundzile konke kahle okay nawe ke sebakuthethe emvosi ngoba bakutshela ukuthi
scholarship
nasa basihambela
yes ngiyabhadala lithini
ibuka lento ngalokuthi
lithini
kangakanani nje kufika nje emvasi kubuhlungu kangakanani so ufika lenyalo again you've graduated still nothing
I think that the real question is Bangai Benale higher.
Yes, yeah.
Mina ngiyamthanza lo corruption simbholi sicale ngakho
corruption
nepotism
man corruption please guys don't forget to like to share to subscribe and also there's a comment section there sanicela please sicela ukuzwa your feelings uthini wena ngalenzaba ye high unemployment
usakhuluma ngayo nepotism asesihlukanise nepotism necorruption
kuba ngani goes hand in hand because in nowadays umsebenzi uthola ukuthi wadibana ukhohlwa ngequalification your qualification yefake phasembethe la ihlala khona la ukuthi wadibana lokuphi ubuka lokho
but
because as much as
that's corruption exactly
vele nana kicking ukuthi wena naye 20,000
balintolena ngathi iadvantage kini boje
mani ngaphandle kwale advantage mina kusho
boje
icorruption noma nepotism iba nepotism kubani nini because wena namhla na uthola umsebenzi uthola ubhadele noma khoya lokufakile uthi connection ngaleyo
connection
but nasengiyimi lo thola lo msebenzi
iba kanjalo vele
mani ngoba uthi ngasihlukanise connection
asangubekisele
fact check ngokusibukela fact check yini nepotism yini corruption okay yeah the connection the connection
asangubekisele siyaphuma sipala sonke siya-apply
Siya-apply.
uyabona siya-apply and kukhona lakithi lo mo qualified for lo msebenzi but ngeke ukuthi makwamusa nge-HR lapha akunandzaba ukuthi musa une-certificate une-degree
kuyini ke lokho
nepotism le
Nepotism.
nepotism
Man,
Okay.
let's say
ukuthi
phinze kuyi-corruption futhi
man nesikancane Mthobisi ngifuna into oyishwambayo.
Eh.
Asesingeni nangu makwamusa u-HR.
eh
Makwamusa akasho ukuthi Musa siyamqasha. Wakholini Musa for an interview.
okay
Ujafika athi moshele yena lapha
Exactly.
noma bamthole yena lapha.
Okay.
Is that nepotism or
no
connection?
phela lapho kuhambe kahle yonke into awuthi uthi makwakho akafakisana kepha kasifaki
wasifaka
Manje sozitela amathuba abathutane na.
hayi
Ubonile ukuthi amathuba adlayela khashana imshuba. Uyibona kanjani?
Hayi.
Connection baba connected vele.
Okay.
Akusi
That would be very a connection.
connection
because akusegcinene but awufika lapha siye sonke because inzaba yama qualification nje lokho ngiphambi. Kungenteka kube na someone who's more
More
qualified than
qualified,
you.
true.
But nakafika lapha bavele bathi ayilana ngeke la.
Okay Musa mina umuntu wami uthi vele should be like encourage nende ma connection noma umuntu awuthola umsebenzi different way
Abakuthole abantu fema interview connection leyo ngiyayivumela ke.
okay mani maybe before singena mina ngifuna factify asitshele ukuthi yini connection
connection?
yini nepotism yini corruption
kwakungu3 sicela
yeah
Okay. Okay, nge-understanding yami ngintase sengiyaniketela definition. Ngoba i-corruption it's broader.
okay sure
Like nepotism is a subset.
The umbrella
exactly
And
Okay.
nepotism.
Okay.
But by definition, the nepotism it's the practice among those with power or influence of favoring relatives, friends, associates.
wena nje mako wakho nje
long
nepotism
HR
long HR
Still connected
nepotism
Nakungaba nemali ngeChar utaka.
So kungaba mhlobo abangani.
that's nepotism
related now
sicela ke corruption
corruption ngenyanga
Corruption nje ngoba bekasho ukuthi just an umbrella.
it's just an umbrella
Connection ke.
connection yakho ke
Connection ngiyo phela le ngisho.
Ngabo mismanagement of funds ibroad kakhulu.
yabo
But ke mina ngithi ke mina are you telling me Mthobisi mina ngiyalo nepinjana ayispan. Ngiyamoti ngeChar. I-outcome ngiyati ukuthi lo msebenzi lo labamnani ufundzele ngene.
yeah
Example, you are taking out here. Ngicela bomane nilibukele lakhe liphela.
Yeah.
Nembide for an interview.
Musa kune nepotism uyabona Musa asengifetsele ngale
Come from experience.
TLC
go from experience
TLC wakhe lapha
let's go get khona first content ko khuluma
Nakho ngibopisa tu.
ubona le TLC yakho bokhuluma ngayo
Yeah.
asengibekisele kunebantu esacedza nabo maybe
Yeah.
2024 because kunemuntu lo wacedza 2013 lo ngasekele ufike wena le ka TLC uthi hayi ngithatheleni nangini uyabona
Okay.
do you think about lona lo wacedza
Nalo ligama
Yeah.
lisebenzile leli rule.
Yeah.
ngili
Sebenzisa igama leli rule.
yeah
lengili
Mina angisho ukuthi thathani lindo.
I wanted to ask ukuthi wena lokuthi ngicela ningibukele nanizibani are you saying ukuthi umbuka kwabo will be based on ukucasha kwabo will be based on ukuthi interview yakhe ihambe kanje
babuka bemqashi babuka bemqashi
Mithi mina akahambe lo muntu aye ku-interview.
we manini asiqale ngana ladies first yes
ngithi mina Musa is trying to say
Yes.
ngicela uthathe nangimusa image yami yabona
Okay.
ngicelani imane nimbide for
Akamane
interview
kuhlulekele.
ucasha kwakho
Yes.
utabe ukuthi yena uhambe kahle interview uhlulekele not because he's my
Hayi ukuthi mina ngisimcashele.
asiyovana
how true is that
Yasevana.
How true is that?
So influence it.
It's so influencing
Man, but
already Ngeke, because
Uthule bandle.
Musa knows someone in the same building uyabona knows someone
But ukuthi-
forefront labata interviewer yena uyabona
Life injalo.
nawubuka lesikhathi
nikwa
lona
lesikhathi
nemfino
exactly
uthi udawuhamba
Yeah.
uqonqotha ubeke ngeke
Ngeke
usithole.
that's what I say
Even when-
So, okay, guys,
Get a
okay, guys,
job with
okay.
Watiba.
okay so nina nithini ke nina to umjilo lengaphandle iyouth lengaphandle
Man,
we has been unemployed man we has been unemployed for so long uthini wena
Full connection.
akathole connection yeah ufuna siye lapho akuthi siya conclude right because le podcast yena le topic lena sikhuluma nomjilo lengaphandle sithini nyalo kuyi
Ngithi mina nangabe ulithola leli thuba le
Yes.
connection.
okay
Sebenza i-connection baba. But
Okay.
ngithi ke mina
Yes.
akangasi lo muntu esekafikile la. kube ngazuthi mina sengivele ngamcasha yabona ngithi mina kayike interview u-interview batambuta ema-skills lanawo i-experience educational background
yena kube nguye
yabona utatikuconvincela yena labantu
But now now my fear is sekunama scams kula malanga nabufacate nabo bani bani
Hey facade.
Mina sengaku
Hayi, uyabona izaba facade.
mina sengakhona ukuthi nangu Lindo ngibe like Lindo awusolethe na umsa wakho la kimi ngimconnecte lapha kunespan ngipressure lanayo ngithi kusele lapho wena nginike 5000 naye ngipressure lanayo naye advice nisho ukuthi kube no connection anginike lo 5000
no I think seyihlukile
seyihlukile
because number one leyo seyinema-favor ukuthi I will do this because ngidawusona songiniketana right leyo seyikhoshakhoshile iyafana but seyikhoshakhoshile because kulela lesikhuluma ngayo ngithi mina ethokoza uyasebenza wena yabona la usebenza khona na umshana wakho so una 5 years so la kasebenzi la usebenza khona uyabona abafuna abantu lana bathi yabona shona ukuthi umshana hayi kusena uthatha umshana ukuthi ngicela ngiqashe umshana ngicela kubana ngibite na umshana nkosiyami ayoti thulekela yena ayoti thulekayo
ukuthi ngeke uzumkopise wona lama questions. The fact that you are working
wathatha
okay siyayiva lenzaba yakho ukuthi uthi umshana wakho akasonzele closer to home. Nangilote ke i-relative in higher places. Simbeka phi nyalo
lo le makhaya lo le khashana
umuntu sonke siphila ku privilege society. Ukhona abamfula bathi sakhula ku society kuthiwa funza ngoba ngumuntu kusasa and the environment the society esiphila kuyo asasiko njalo. Sithini ke kunangulo sekhaya longenabani yena wathi uthi kwami nje ukuthi ngiqhubekele empini kwasi ukuya university. And unfortunately akusendeki lokubengikugatsini. Those things ethambisana nabo depression. Uyaqala ukuba depressed ungasebenzi ukuthi yathi ukubona la ngesikhathi ungasasebenzi ukuthi yathi le
mina ngiyabela definition yamthobisi. Definition yamthobisi ithi there it could be a family member ngaba ko relative ngaba ngumngani ngaba lokusho ukuthi connection yakho ayisho ukuthi ufuna kuze kube ngumama wakho ube ngumzala kungaba ngisho na impinji yakho ukuthi ethokozani
lenye perspective
nabo entrepreneurs
ngaphandle kwalo nje lama skills wawona nje ukuthi ufuna start a business because business ngokuqala ufuna understand
mina ngibuyisela semuva nje kokwami bekasifundisa ukuthi uye esikolweni uyemvasi nakuthi emvasi ufunza kumsebenzi you get a job right now sesikhulile
ayisenzele
everyone
you're so depressed so stress
until I realize ukuthi kahle as umuntu nomusha you cannot always depend on that uyabona funa nawe mina nje I found my own thing now ngathi okay angicela ibusiness la ngicela ngemajuice ngicela ngemamuffins ngathi
problem muffins
hayi wena uyabona so we cannot say when ahlala njalo nje yes but vele abantu abasho ngithi no angeke silobo sifaka
ngiyalithanda le point lalini but again funa sibe reality guys usihlala eSwati yabona
sure
as much as singathi guys ungahlali phansi vuka
but kuloyo lokhona
yes I'm saying ukuthi funa si understand ukuthi ngaphandle kwemali lo tayitsinga for you to start that business kwakona lokuthi ekuse okay yini le ngendawo yendako yabona lama restrictions la kangone semakhulu ngendlela yokuthi ugcina ungasathi yabona ukuthi into lelula njenge-market yabona ukuthi yathi nje asengiyofuna nje ngisafuna kusho kona phela ukuthi into lelula nje njenge-market
bakhulumela ukuthi ubekele
into lelula nje njengemhlaba I mean njenge-market nathi nje ufuna ukuthi nakutshela ukuthi baba umhlaba walona
abantu bani nabo apply lapho
yabona batholile yona i-market bakutshela ukuthi you need a license a trading license uyabona for you to operate
imasa support naye
le lapha ithokozana usetawubuya ke kuhulumende lothi baba akunanto lekhona nje lo-operator ko lakho imali without tax uyayibala into leyo so kufuneka sikhohlela into leyo lokuthi
it empowers us ukuthi now uthi uyacabanga mhlambe you have the means of starting that business sekusaturated
even nale corporate place nice
saturated
very
but
saturated
ucabanga lokho
ngiko nje ukhanza uthi ufa namhla kusasa bakureplace
So nina manibuka, what's your advice? Mhlawumbe kuye cool to the youth out there. Umjida mhlawumbe ucithe isigela ku-4-5 noma ugraduate enyuvesi. Yeah. Yiphi advice longamnika yona? Yeah.
hey kulukhundu but nje don't lose hope. Yathi ukuthi lokho kuphilisa kwi-hope otherwise ungabulawa i-depression. Thatha kimi. Don't lose hope. Like angadipi optimistic ngokuthi yathi I know ngokuthi hey angathi singathini but nje lokho bona iyaba lokuyilose but yabona the moment soyiluze songena kuma drugs so uzela sale kuphela
lapho ke
uyabona because once you lose the hope wabona ukuthi the main thing is ngihambe ngihlala lapha engojeni ngihlale ngiyame etitolo ngicela abantu amashumu ngicela abantu amasawuvela there are people lesachethe nabo ku university ukhanza ukuthi awusam recognize ukuthi ubone town so lungathi sengimadala lo kanti nachethe naye amncane
fresh
then i-society ngathi in the world yaseseba cruel
hayi tough le ngola
i-trick excel
because ekugcineni uyathi ubutela ukuthi awuzidwa yini because njengoba ashido nje umuntu ofisile space ukuthi it hasn't changed kana lento lena mina nje the last time ngicina ukutshela I think it was 2021 bese siyakhumbula ukuthi we've had i-covid kusho ukuthi ku-covid ke lapho ngabe sekuba worse yabona now we are having inzama ya-Donald Trump kusho ukuthi again yebo phela le USA just nakhona sekaba worse so siyadibuta ukuthi
mina ngifuna ukuthi ayishintshe imvelo
kanjani
noma abayi-update
no in terms of wehla instead
yes ingamistake because vele yenyuka
ukuthi bawesi kanjani ke whereby every day sithina sikhicita stoko lesisha sebantu abafundi
yebo
uze lesibani
lokusho ukuthi mina ngesingimi ngithi indzaba yahulumende yesikole because you can't tell me ukuthi you already know ukuthi bothishela ayinekuthi angisathi neziligama lenjalo saturated without seeing Thomas nalamhla lokhu uphinze umuke nabantu ukuthi abambofundzele
but are they really saturated noma aqashwa yathi usekunedikolo lutho uyafika bathi
utishela
ukuthi bathishela bahlele ekhaya mo
kunatishela munye ufundisa ama-classes angu-3, 4 to 5
are they really saturated noma there is corruption
okay man in terms of lokuba saturated they are because njengoba sisho ukuthi we do have bothishela esikolweni noma ungathi bancane ngeke ubathathela balabala ngephandle bafake bonke esikolweni lokusho ukuthi vele kutaphinze kusalele enye ibhenchi leningi la ngephandle but still lalamhla lokho usakhicita labanye bothisha
okay my question is bekwenziwa njani katheni because itikolo I've been there othishela bevele bakhicita uyangiva lemele ngisho ingwane solikhona kude lo ngetiwe kumbe ngangetela ama colleges esingawadi ukuthi ngimaphi university bevele ikhona uyabona bo amadi those colleges bekuvele khona bebaba saturate njani labo thishela bekwenziwa njani nakaphuma thishela because nyalo sekubad it's really bad
before ucabanga guys you are still tuned in the Blue Heart podcast please don't forget to like you are still tuned in the Blue Heart podcast please don't forget to like to share and also to subscribe labantu bakhuluma kakhulu ngingani employed ngikhuluma kanje
sesifundzile Thomas manje sikhuluma ngekufundza la sikhuluma ngabantu laba unemployed le nkinga ayiphinzi bekhona nendona sekwaba ne technology lo kuthi lona manje yokuchazela le nto wena ngayithatha yonke ayifake lapha phansi lapha sibe siqhubeka nekucoca but wena ke ngona sibonke ya don't forget to share le nto le ayifaka yonke lapha phansi lapha siqhubeke lenza sesayenza bayimcoka ngaka yenza
bayikhumbuza la
anyway bengisakhuluma lezi lebo ibuta ukuthi ngekwami icabanga I think bese evolve ngaleso sikhathi leso so ngingabekisa ngani in terms of technology in terms of what si evolve yabona so yebo bothishela babekhona ekuqaleni but le batch lenye beyisinayingena kube nalinye nishona letikhona letisha kube nanishona letikhona letisha si improve kwanana nathi yabona but now the problem lebengikhale ngayiqaleni number 1 the syllabus the syllabus high school yabona lo mhlolo lesawufunza athi nele uyabona nawe lokho nako ukuthi ngathi into lebeyile ngayifunza
uyayibuka
mhlawumbe na ubuka nje lesilabhasi kusuke na ubuka lo mhlolo lo wafunza
ngiyacabanga
uyabona kude mbamba phela ubona uncane kakhulu lo ngathi uyabona ufike emvasi
umsoli mafutha
yabona ufike emvasi yabona emvasi even into lefunza emvasi sibale yabona nalamhla lokuphinza ufunza umsebenzi ku nofika lasibale uyayibala lo
What they're training us on, I really into what's necessary.
yabona exactly yabona nalokhu nyaka sesibuka ukuthi currently yabona silive yini esishoda ngayo kakhulu yabo bathi thina namhla lokuthi sasifaka ku t-shirt why singagicidi lokule sikubonayo ukuthi le current le
ayibonisa ngefuthi
why kuthi solo ukuthi so I think ngiyami kule ndlela ngubule
yeah we need to change yeah
because ngeke emvasi namhla lo nezona bafundisa the same thing lethiyo nabafika abantu emsebenzini
It's totally
ufundise
different.
wonke umsebenzi lo wonke umsebenzi sekubethele nje thina ngalithokoza
yeah
thina ngale sawenda
Yeah.
procurement center finance yabona
20 cash
no procurement so with that
Okay.
yabona kunalama skills le lutawatsini like those soft skills yabona
especially procurement
yes yabona
Procurement.
kunaloko ama software sekukhona nje
Imali usebenza
exactly yabona ufunde ukuthi imali isebenza kanjani
mina
Nama-skills.
budgeting basics of budgeting uyabona into le
yeah
Because-
usuka lusesemncane
yeah
kunale
because
yabona
ngikhumbula lokuyelo kwasho nguna ngitho yesterday waba like ekuse yena nguya ngayo yakubo ukuthi umntwana makasakhula lapho ngiyabekisa nje ngabonono mangabe uyambona ukuthi unemoto la khaya funze ku mechanics awusuthi ufuqa ngesigela
uyayibala into le
Yeah.
ngibona ukuthi ke yabona
Abakhona
siyashintsha le
nice,
ndlela
okay.
yokufundisa abantu
okay
ibuye kule ndlela
kithi
sisebenza
iya kulabazali vele kahle kahle
angeke ngithi buyela kubazali ngifuna kuyicala straight le kulendle
the whole
le
education
system wayisebenzele
Okay.
uyabo
Okay.
kunebantu bafunza ama accounts
yes.
ngekubhala
Yes,
yabona
right.
ukuthi uzabhala ephepheni yabona abafana bangasayifundi lento
manje phela siyayivolve sesiku AI manje
ngilekusho ukuthi
Yeah.
imagine ukuthi abantu
Yeah.
laba kunemuntu
ayi
solo
umuntu ususemvasi
yeah
nanangabe
nakhona into encane yabo AI
okay
uyabona
kanti impela kade maybe in other countries ngikhale kufika
thina ngikhani sikwatile
yes
sele mofu tina siya cruise we are cruising nicely guys we are still tuned in the Blue Eye podcast please don't forget to like to share and also to subscribe hey guys njoba solo sikhulumisa indaba ye unemployment so I want to hear from you guys what's your advice to umjito lo ngaphandle to uchero lo ngaphandle probably has been unemployed for so long uthini nje wena as a youth as umuntu lo employed nawe who have been unemployed yakubona what's your advice nje khulile
okay
yeah
cha ngiyabonga Dubu I think for me ngingasho ukuthi sibani labasha singawuchwenisa umsebenzi kunalenye info le umsebenzi utholakala emsebenzini that's a fact na uhlele ekhaya kuba nalento engathi kuvaleka yonkini kepha nangabe nje wena Dube ngilawuba nge-security ungayi ngokuthi abantu batawuthini manje le nto leyo ingcwabe engathi abaphili bantu because at the end of the day abakusethi ngalutho nangabe nje wena uyabona ukuthi yathi start sami ngaya mani ngiyosebenza nasesitolo nasini ungayi ngokuthi mina ngiphethe i-degree uyithwale nanhloko mina ngiphethe in no lokho asokuthatha ukubeka eceleni uyayikhokha le degree yakho mntuzana kufanele uyayikhokha le diploma yakho mntuzana kufanele you may never know kumbe i-stepping stone sakho lesi but uyazivimbela wena ngeke ukuthi usaba ukuthi abantu batawuthini
yabona khulile lokho kushoko vele i-pressure because ngiyaku-imagine nje wena so sebenza be-Pick n Pay vele mangithi ukhansi besifundza sonke mangithi ngiyangena e-Pick n Pay wangibona vele usilayiza tsotsi yakubo
ngicabanga ukuthi
peer pressure awuthini lona
ngicabanga ukuthi nathi nje safundiseka kabi hawu sosebenza la
So, yeah,
uyabona
yeah.
sengivele ngiyabona ukuthi vele kusho ukuthi ngisendleleni lekabi la uyabona
Yeah.
kanti yathi Angibongele lokho ukuthi ungakhanza ukuthi ungumphathi khona lapha but angathi uyabo angathi lokho ungumphathi sengibona nje ukuthi ugqokele le mbheji yase Pick n Pay sengivele ngimjajile once ngacala ngathi hawu wena ula so wabala kunelvo center la nasidibana namadolobheni so wabakuphi wena sesicala nawudibana nomuntu ofundza naye sombona selapho vele nje uthi short left because utakubuta ukuthi sowuqashiwe yini wena ubhizi ngani so yasebenza uyabo last sengifuna le connection uyabo intindlo leti kanjani so ngicabanga ukuthi nje nasibantu labashona singadi ukuthi umsebenzi akusiyo lona lo wawufundzela kuphela noma ngangimuphi umsebenzi can be a stepping stone to your success noma ngangimuphi umuntu lo musha nje ekhaya just know ukuthi noma yathi ukuthi noma ungahambe uyosebenza ngamuntu endlini utawukhanza ukuthi ngifuna kubuyela kuleli connect la kalisho musi ukhanza ukuthi usebenzela abantu labanye le connection yalabantu basebenzela kibo bowungeke uyithola uhlele ekhaya ngenxa yokuthi sowudla kule environment yabo sebasho ukuthi wafunza wena awu yathi singakuzamela lapha nalapha uyabona kani kuba waqhubeka waqhonisa lo msebenzi wethu uthi ungaguga nale degree zokuhlele ekhaya imali yinye ayishintshi ukuthi iqhamuka kuphi yinye nje yafana sonke noma ngawusebenza efemini mina ngithi you did the best lokusebenza nje efemini uvuke lokuvukela nje ku therapeutic lokuvukela kuyaphilisana
I think kulento la isho nje khulile encisi kulento la isho nje khulile ukuthi I think lenye into kuba le pressure no le pressure yokuthi siyasibana wena tu besifunza la class uma silo lijalela ngathi lihla kanjani phela kakhulu nalathi incwadi ngiyabona nyalo wena so ufake isudu uhamba ngemoto lethi standard mina lana ngake ngimine ukompanela kimi but mina ngalala sengiyafuza sengilapha family uyabo kuba ngazi ukuthi ukwenta ukuthi vele ngathi usuleke somehow yabona so I think nje ku encourage kulena ngiyakholelwa ukuthi I think lokungadijaji manje kakhulu ukuthi ube la ka one day
one day is one day
but ngesikubalekele ke ngusawusikade sibawa
true
yabona
uyabona inyalo sengoliphuza
isho bana le kwata
ukuthi ngithobisi ukhuluma iqiniso impilo ayikho fair ayizange sekibe fair nawe ngabe uhlale phansi nje sobuka indoma episodes lendekile ayizange nje sekibe fair sonke isikhathi impilo itakukhombisa emafilimu nje uma ngale ukuthi sengiyimilo lona that I never imagined ukuthi ngidale ngibe situation le kanje that's life ayizange sekibe fair noma ungayizama kwa noma bangakutshela usesemncane ukuthi usicence wena impilo if you child yonkulunkulu kuphela yadiwa nguye phela noma ungazama kwani esikolweni ube star utawuhlala nale uba star uqinisile kona kuya dispower
but naloku kuyabivekwayo phela kuhambe sesekulula kakhulu
ziyakhwehlela ufuna ukuthi
kuhambe sekulula kakhulu lokungabivekwayo
into ngabe ungathini wena thu umuntu omusha lohleli ekhaya ufundile lo muntu what's your advice
I think I share the same
sentiments okay
uthi akunenzaba lokuthi wendani konke kunesicalo yabona I'll make an example mina ungamangala ukuthi la majuice engikhuluma ngaqala kanjani I'm telling phela ngase ngiya-upgrade kancane nje ngaqala ngekuwasha impahla de bami ngihlala ekhaya I used to wash people's clothes and man baba like when washa impahla de bami that's how I started my business
bothola ndini
imali
behluke ngani
ayikahlukile
bebhalwe yini ukuthi lena yokwasha
no so ungabi nanzaba ukuthi wena msebenzi nguphi vele so that's why I'm saying I share the same sentiments ngifundile yonke nje icala lapha
power to that wena unike ukugcinela ngitho sesiyivala ke manje what's your advice sesiyivala ke manje
ngiyabonga for me it's just a few points I think ngidawugijima cishe kule section
okay sure
ngidaba bit practical ukuthi ukuyela ukusida in terms of developing my skills shadow issue it can be a relative it can be a friend ngoba bekusana mechanic nabe seyakuthanda mechanic you know someone mechanic can be a friend can be a relative go shadow them ushwa kubile ukuthi kwenta kanjani batafundisa nohlale kunabo then also building strategic networks
sure
strategic network ukuthi usonzete abantu abana-certain skills in your circle. Yabo. Nangabe uyamadibana ukuthi ubehind ka-finance. Bekusengana ngiyamadu behind ka-finance. Nangofunile umuntu angakumusa. Yabo ukuthi usangicabanga ukuthi lo muntu kanje uthini wena nangabe ama-conditions. Then-ke ema-online courses.
Oh yeah,
we live
sure.
in a technology-based world. So kumcoka ukuthi siwathathe those free courses. Let's make use of them. Kodwa lokhu akufunde khona sibili lokhu akuphuma naso mhlawumbe kusasa ufole usokuthi ufole umsebenzi because unama-certificates nani resume yakho and also take advantage of overseas scholarships.
Oh, okay.
Nangabe uyakubona ukuthi usole umsebenzi ngena online research overseas scholarships. Stress are persistent nangabe awusebenzi
Thank
Musa, sesivala manje.
Uma esomushile agcina samthobisa. Asosho manje mpishe yonke information yemixoxo. Kweze kakhulu nana ukungena kakhulu kulenza kwemthobisa ukuthi ikakhulu nje ema-online courses.
Ngamuhle nkulumo.
Ukuthi nje funza lama soft skills. Yabo nje wena ngisakubekisela ukuthi like la 17 njengoba umthobisi like hlala labantu labana kuleto ndzawo because njengoba ngikutshela mina I will tell you okay ka finance maybe most people balekana kunana so when I take advantage of that it's okay mina ngiyafunza nanishona nalo ukuthi certificate uyabona ku certificate lo tathatha kancane wena ngaleso sikhathi ngani lapho le nto leyo asinasofunza le nto leyo so uyasatha ke maybe so una online course let's say thatha certificate ukuthi now apply lapho kwanza ukuthi so I feel like umthobisi ukushaya manje konke oba kahle kakhulu.
Bafethu, thanks so much for your presence. We felt it. Sifakele pressure namhlanje ukabi namuhla. Hope to have you again next time. Please guys, don't forget to like, to share and also to subscribe.